Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're talking about a smart pricing move most people overlook. You don't have to raise everything all at once. When you're ready to raise your prices, it's easy to think you have to overhaul your entire offer suite. But that's not always the best play. Strategic brands raise certain prices while leaving others steady, and that decision keeps momentum flowing while positioning you for bigger growth. Here's how to know what to raise and what to keep. First, raise the prices on your most in-demand or most time-intensive offers first. If a program, service, or product is your biggest drain on time or your most requested, it should be the first to go up. Demand and energy cost are your two biggest signals. Second, leave some accessible entry points open. If you remove every low-ticket or mid-ticket offer, you risk losing new buyers who aren't ready to jump straight into premium yet. Keeping a few lower-priced, high-volume offers stable builds your pipeline and keeps your audience warm. Third, prioritize raising the offers where you've added the most value. If you've improved the transformation, layered in new bonuses, or upgraded the overall customer experience, those are ready for a price elevation. Fourth, consider timing around launches and seasons. If you're in the middle of a big campaign or relaunching a signature offer, you might want to hold the price steady for the sake of consistency, and raise it after the launch momentum has been locked in. And last, trust your evolution. If certain offers no longer match the level of expertise, experience, or depth you bring, it's okay to either raise the price or retire the offer altogether and make room for the next chapter of your brand. You don't have to raise everything overnight. You raise what aligns with your growth, and you leave doors open where it strategically benefits your ecosystem. Final tip. Pricing is like architecture. Every price point should have a purpose. Some invite new buyers in, some position premium value, and some hold the whole structure up. Build it smart, raise it smart, and your growth becomes inevitable.